Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Cake DeFi password step by step clearly. To reset your Cake DeFi password, start by navigating to the Cake DeFi website. On the home page, locate the login button and click on it. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This action will lead you to the password reset page. Enter the email address associated with your Cake DeFi account. Once you have entered your email, click on the Send Verification Email button. Check your email inbox for a message from Cake DeFi. If you do not see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link to be directed to the password creation page. Create a new password that meets the specified security requirements. After entering your new password, confirm it by typing it again in the provided field. Once both fields are completed, click on the Submit button. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been reset successfully. Now, you can return to the login page. Enter your email address and your new password to access your account. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your Cake DeFi password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.